Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yes, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. You can also follow me on Instagram. The readings over there are different from these readings, and the link is given in the description box below. The name of the page is Surabhi Tarot. Okay, so let's see what's going on with the Leos. Okay, so on your side we have the Hermit. Let's see what's on your person's side. The Lovers. Okay, let's see what's the most likely outcome. Four of Swords has flipped. Okay, anyway, most likely outcome. The Page of Cups. Okay, so as far as these three cards are concerned, with the Hermit on your side, you are trying to take a decision. Okay, you are listening to your inner voice. You are really not discussing your things with anyone, but yes, you are just taking your time to decide. You are just in a deep thinking mode as to what should be the right decision. Okay, that is what it is. And the decision I think which you are thinking about is obviously the Lovers card here on your person's side. So maybe this is the decision you are trying to take, to commit or not to commit or whatever it. We'll see that with the clarifiers. But yes, you are trying to make a decision over something over here. And here we have the Lovers card. So definitely this person views you as your soulmate, as I mean this person views you as their soulmate, as their equal counterpart, and this person is really passionate about you. The most likely outcome is the Page of Cups. Definitely somebody is opening up, offering their love, opening up emotionally. Okay, so let's see what's there behind the scenes. So what's behind the scene for the Hermit? What's so okay? So wow, what I shouldn't say wow, rather it's like, what's this? Behind the Hermit we have Seven of Swords, the Tower. Oh, very heavy energies over here, and the Wheel of Fortune, or the Ten of Wheels. So okay, that is why there is such a deep thinking regarding such a beautiful thing over here, because I did have that vibe as to, like, nobody will think so deep if another person is, I mean, anybody can think deep, but still it was a little really isolated and a retreating type of an energy, thinking so much. That was the vibe which I was getting at the time, but I didn't speak because I wanted to take the clarifiers. And here we have the Nine of Wands, one more, the Sun. Okay, that's good. Felt like taking it, the Devil. So for the Lovers, why am I? What's there for the Lovers? Behind the scenes for the Lovers. Okay, so here we have the Emperor, the Six of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Moon, okay, the Two of Pentacles, and the Magician. Things are pretty okay this side, just as, let's have one more, Five of Pentacles, okay, and the Judgment. Let's see what's there for the Page of Cups. Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Temperance, the Ace of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay. So, for the Hermit, we have the Seven of Swords, the Tower, and the Ten of Wheels. With the Nine of Wands, the Sun, and the Devil. So what I feel here is that what I feel here is with the Seven of Swords, it is not that this person has cheated someone. What I feel is this person has suffered some sort of cheating. That's what I feel. This person is coming out of a phase when they have already suffered some sort of deception and cheating in their life. Okay. This person is trying to come out of that energy which they have already suffered, and that was a shock for them. Okay. Yeah. That's what I feel. This, and with the wheel, 10 of wheels, things are changing. So this person is trying and working hard, and that is why this person is in a retreating mode. And the hermit is too much of a thinking. Actually, it's not that easy thinking when you're trying to think about a relationship, should I enter it or not. It wasn't that, it was a little more than that. Okay, but then till I have the clarifiers, so what I feel is the energy was very heavy, and there was something perhaps in this person's life, that this person has suffered some sort of deception or cheating from somebody, which really crashed them down, which really sort of shook up their life, and this person has really suffered hard because of this cheating and whatever has happened in their life, because of this fact of perhaps non-commitment, cheating, or playfulness. Somebody's broken their heart. Let me see. Suddenly I was drawn to this. The vibe which I am getting here is this person had to leave the place where this person used to live secretly. Secretly they had to leave the place. That's what I'm getting. Maybe this person has actually relocated. Somebody had to leave a place or maybe a relationship secretly. Okay. Or somebody left them secretly and they were not expecting it. So it was maybe somebody. It's like the vibe which I'm getting is somebody or this person left, like it's like somebody is going out without even telling you that it's over. Okay, and tomorrow you come to know that person isn't there. It's something like that. Like somebody leaves the house at night and goes in the morning, you and realize that person isn't there in the house. That is the vibe I'm getting. It's not that this is the exact situation, but that is the vibe, that this person either had to leave or somebody left this person like that unexpectedly without even telling them, something of that sort. Secretly this person left this person, and that was a total shake up for this person. Okay, or maybe the reason, if they have left, the reason itself, whatever it was, but that is the tower which I feel over here. Okay, but with the 10 of wheels over here, what I feel is this person is trying to balance his or her life. They are trying to sort out their life, and things are changing. Since they are in the hermit mode, they are in the mode of healing themselves. They are thinking wisely. They are trying to be, maybe they are even in that spiritual energy, because they really want to heal whatever has happened in their life. Okay, and things are changing for them. They are trying to come out of this tower energy and to come into a positive energy. Okay, that is what this person is trying to do and is working on. And here with the 9 of wands, the sun and the devil, what I feel here is that this person is, though things are changing, this person is trying to come out of this negative energy. They are trying to balance themselves, that is fine, but still they are very very vigilant and very very cautious which way to follow. It's not easy for them to cross the barriers which are coming their way, or it's not easy for them to come out of that negative energy or that negative experience which they have had. Okay, so they are very very cautious and very very vigilant before taking a decision. Okay, it's they have that suspicion also on the mind of the other person. They will not they have that doubt and suspicion also, maybe not too much to be of a negative degree, but yes, it's not easy for them to trust anyone. That's something of that sort I'm getting. It's not that easy for them to trust anyone now, and that is the blockage or the barrier which seems to be there in their life, which they feel is okay for them because they have really suffered. They really don't want to take any more risks. Okay, but things are definitely changing. They are trying to work on their own inner self, and with the sun card over here, what I feel is that this person will ultimately be successful in coming out of this negativity which they have suffered, and they will be able to bring balance to their life and bring happiness to their life. Okay, and we have the devil card over here. So what I feel here is the devil talks to me about the fact that there is obviously the tendency of this person to have that suspicion or have that trust issues, I should say, not suspicion, but yes, trust issues definitely, as to, and they really fear that they don't want to fall into that trap once again, because they've already suffered this and they really don't want to have that miserable feeling once again. Okay, and that is the reason that this person is thinking so hard. Okay, and they are actually not in right now, they are just in themselves. They are not even in the mindset of focusing on a relationship as such. This person is healing from whatever is going on in their own life. Though things are changing, they will come out of it, but as for now, it's by themselves. They are by themselves. Okay, and here on this person's side we have the lovers. So for the lovers we have the emperor, the six of wands, the queen of wands, the moon, two of pentacles, magician, the justice, five of pentacles, and the judgment. Too many. I just pulled out. So what I feel here is that this person is very attractive. This person is very attractive. They are very confident. They are in a very, very positive vibe type of a person. Okay, so this is the person who is really in their own power. They are very confident. They really a very positive vibe I'm getting in this person. So this is a person who is perhaps even very attractive, very passionate, very confident, and in power also. Okay, so this is the energy of the person who is status wise also, maybe they are quite good. So they have that happiness in their life and that glow in their life. So this is a some vibe of a very happy and a very positive person, basically. That's what I'm saying. And here we have the moon, the two of pentacles, the magician, the justice, the five of pentacles, and the judgment. So what I am getting here is, with the moon and the two of pentacles, the five of pentacles. So here I would like to say is, what the vibe which I am getting here is, the moon card is there because this person what I am getting here is, this person feels ignored, or they really don't know what's going on your side. Okay, because they have all the positive feelings. With the magician's justice and the magician, the justice and the judgment, they really want a new beginning with you. They really are, with the judgment, justice, magician, it's something which is which they really want to work on. Okay, they really want to have a new beginning with you. They really want you, they really want to have a life with you, and they really see you as a wish fulfillment. That's what I'm getting. But the problem here is, with the moon, they really don't know what's happening on your side, since they feel they are being juggled, they feel they are being ignored, they feel they are being sort of not responded to properly, and they really feel rejected and ignored also. And they feel, even if they are not showing it, but maybe because it is the emperor, they won't show those things easily for you. Maybe they are not showing that to you, but they feel, that's what I'm getting. I don't feel that they are juggling you, but what I feel is, it is their feeling that they are being juggled, or by that indecision on this part rather is the fact which is making them feel rejected and upset. Okay, because they really don't know why you are doing this to them. That is the vibe which I am getting. Okay, that is what they feel, that why is this uncertainty, what's happening on this person's side that this person is not committing, why they really want a new beginning, why are you juggling them, why are you not giving them an answer. So this is what makes them double minded. Okay, they feel that you are not giving this uncertainty on your part, they really don't know the path ahead, they really don't know how the things will shape up, and because you are just not making a move as such. Okay, and that is why they also become double minded as to what's going on. Okay, what's going on, where do I stand, sort of a thing. And here with the Magician, the Justice, and the Judgment, what I feel here is this person really wants to have a new beginning with you, they really want to have you, they really want to have this relationship with you. Okay, so this person is serious for you. And here for the Page of Cups, what I feel here is we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Chariot, and the Temperance. So again, what I feel is, though this person is taking time to decide, the mutual outcome is that it is a, with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely a new beginning which is quite deep rooted, stable, and has a long term vibe to it, and a long term commitment is there. With the Two of Swords, definitely somebody is trying to take a decision, and what I feel is it's this person who has to make a move so that this person also can move ahead. Okay, so and with the Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, so what I feel here is somebody is able to, with the Two of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel, whosoever, I think it's you, whosoever is juggling and fighting with the inner fears, and that is you, and is trying to take a decision because you are in the hermit mode over here, that person is able to do that work and come into the energy of the Queen of Pentacles and feeling empowered, feeling happy. So this person will be able to complete that inner work and heal themselves and achieve that balance and that sense of empowerment that now they are okay. And then we have with the Ace of Wands, the Chariot, and the Temperance, things are sorted out, things are balanced. Decision is now, that juggling part is down, the decisions are being made in a balanced way, and there is a new beginning. And with the Chariot, things will start moving pretty fast, and things will gain control. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Leos. Simple acts of kindness. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. So maybe that this is the kindness, that if the other person is not opening up and they really need to heal, then maybe this is the kindness that you do some small gestures, you or the other person, whosoever it is, do small gestures of kindness so that it helps the other person to heal. That is the message from the universe for you. Okay, so Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.